To delete a fingerprint from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometric. Tap fingerprint. Next, enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. Long tap the fingerprint you like to delete. Tap remove icon at the bottom of the screen. And then tap remove on the pop-up to continue deleting the selected fingerprint from your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.